Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your hotspot device name in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to check guys your hotspot device name in our Samsung phone, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check hotspot device name in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting with your friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so guys I request guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video. So friends, first of all open your phone settings to check your hotspot device name. So as you can see guys, your first setting guys, connection setting. So we will have to tap here, then guys scroll it and guys you can see mobile hotspot. So guys tap here, then guys click on your mobile hotspot setting. After that guys click on this guys network name, means guys click here configure. Then guys you want to rename your device name, so guys you can rename from here, and guys you can check your device name from here Samsung. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot device name in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.